Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on dark mode on your Messenger app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how we can do that on your Messenger app. All you have to do to figure out this solution, you just go up here, you click here on this mark, then it's going to show for you window like this now, and you just go up, you click here on this mark settings here, and it's going to take you to next window here like you say. Then you just click here on dark mode, then it's going to show for you window like this here, and you click here on, and like you see now your dark mode is changed now, it's turned on to on. So that's all. I wish now you are get to just follow these ways, and it's going to work with you. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.